Hey, Jack. Jack. I got something special for you called a sticker if you will sing Twinkle Twinkle for me. Will you sing it for me? Yay! Sing the rest. What's the rest? Up. Yay!
Good job.
Jackson, that was so beautiful.
That was really great.
I love
Jack.
that. That was the greatest song.
That
I
was
love
pretty
how you
sweet.
sing it. You just taking a shower now?
Jack, can you say bye-bye to the camera?
Bye, camera.
Can you tell the camera peace?
Nice. Like this, remember? The same as how old are you? 2, right? Do the peace sign with your 2 fingers. Or it'd be done.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
You can